Good morning. Plantain and beans. Breakfast, plantain and beans. Come with me, let's cook. My base is done. This is done. I'm going to fry my yam now, plantain now. Sorry. This my beans is done. To cut my plantain into slices before frying it. This is the style I like when frying my plantain. Just 5 bunch, 1000. I think it's still fair enough. Not too big, just smaller size like this. Adding my oil in my heated fry pan already heated. So this is enough. Not too much oil. That should be enough for the plantain. The oil is already heated. I'm going to add my plantain. This is it. I didn't put salt, and I don't like putting too much of salt. So I don't normally put salt in my plantain frying it. This is it. Low, medium. It's getting done. This is the first batch. The second batch of my plantain is ready. You see it's very brown. Yeah, done. Food is ready. Adding my beans. This. Okay, my beans with plantain, breakfast, so delicious. Food is ready. Come join me. Take your spoon.